For those that are interested to put an air compressor inside, this is what I done. I took the muffler out. The smoke, basically, the muffler is still there, but I got I think it's 1 1/4 flexible flexible tubing, and I put it in there because I was having a lot of trouble. The smoke was making it very hot in here, so I figured I'd just make a video for you guys to look at it, give you some ideas. I also installed a fan. It's one of those RB fans in there. It's not hooked up yet, but I'm working on it. And I'm in the process of putting a battery in here. I've been running it with the battery on the truck, which that battery right there used to be the truck battery, but I took it out, put a stronger one, and I decided to just run the air compressor with the separate battery. But all of a sudden this battery is dead, so I gotta figure out what's wrong. Alright guys, I figured I'd let you guys know. If you guys need some more information, let me know. I'll get back on you guys what you guys need. You can do it different ways. I figure I'd just give you an idea of what you guys want to do, you know. I done my plumbing out of metal. Of course, I got a fan running over here for a second.